How to unmute notification of a contact in WhatsApp. Hello everybody. If you are wanting to do that, you may follow up these methods. So open up the WhatsApp application on your screen, and then you may just go ahead and log in into your account. Once you are logged in, you should be finding all of the chats, including the chats that you've muted. For example, in order to know which chat you have muted, here right beside the chat, you will be finding a bell icon with a cross on it. All you gotta do is tap on the chat in order to unmute it. So go ahead and long press on the chat that you want to unmute with this bell icon. After that, at the top, you should be finding some options. All you gotta do is look for the bell icon and tap on it. And once that is done, your chat should be unmuted on WhatsApp. So that's it for now. You may follow up this method in order to do so very easily. So I hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials, and we will see you on the next video.